Alright, so today we making us some steak fajitas. So we're gonna start with this marinade. Yes, I should have rolled that before I cut it to help to get them juices out and flowing. So right here I'm doing 2 separate batches. So we got 1 whole lemon, 2 whole limes. Roll it, slice it. And now we're gonna take these babies over into a Ziploc bag. And to each bag I'm gonna squeeze in 1 whole lime. Well, first I'm going to put in that M9 taco fajita seasoning with a good amount of that in. I'd say probably about 3 tablespoons or so. And like I said, I'm doing 2 batches, so I'm gonna do the same in this other bag. Check for quality control. We're gonna go ahead and balance these babies out. Now we're gonna go into the bag with the juice of 1 whole lime and half of a lemon. There goes that lime done in both, that lemon done in both. Good juice. And now we're gonna go into each one of them with about a cup of some white wine, just some plain white vinegar to help tenderize that meat. Alright, squeeze that air out, lock it in. We're gonna mix all that goodness together. Yummy. Now we got these good old flank steaks that we're gonna be cooking with on today. Look at that baby. Nice sizey portion. So roll it back up, fill it up in this bag. Same with the other one. Gonna zip that baby once again, getting the air out. We don't want our meat to start browning and turning. Even though the vinegar protected, we still gonna take precautions. Alright, so we're just gonna mix this baby. We want to make sure some gets all over. Now we take these babies and we're gonna put them into the fridge for at least 2 hours. It's better to do it overnight, but I didn't have the time to do it the night before, so I put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Yeah, I got me some grape Kool-Aid, the spinach, them oranges. I'm healthy around here a little bit. And here go these babies 2 hours later. Let's get them just ready for the grill. And look at that, got them coals, nice white and hot. Just gonna spread them, not spread them across the whole thing. We're still keeping it concentrated. It's a thick meat, but it's gonna cook quick. It's wide, but it's not thick. So yeah, it's gonna cook quick. It's not gonna take number like 10 to 12 minutes. So y'all hear that sizzle going on? Woo! Yeah, use some of that juice from that bag. All right, keeping it juicy. Now we're gonna let that baby cook about 5-6 minutes on that side. Meanwhile, we're gonna get us an onion. We're gonna peel this baby, then we're gonna cut it down into some slices, and then we're gonna cut them slices down into some slivers. Slice mode and sliver mode. Basics of the fajita, you gotta have your peppers and onions. So into a pan with some oil, they got onions in, and then we're gonna also add this mix of peppers. Yeah, y'all probably saw it from the last fajita burger video, but here they go again. Same thing, we're gonna let these babies cook down for a minute, and they go out meat. Time for that flip out about 6 minutes. Ooh, incoming sound. Why am I making a sound when it's doing it on its own? Let's go ahead and flip that over. That's the sound of some goodness. Now we're gonna close that baby down. Oh, I was mistaken. We're gonna leave that baby open. As last bit, it's okay with high heat because it's mostly cooked already through that side. And so now let that wind blow, let that high heat get up in there, make it even hotter. And again, we're gonna put some of these juices over so it don't dry out. Don't worry, I know it was raw meat in there, but it's gonna cook out. And then there we go, hit them peppers and onions with that M9 taco fajita season. And now these beautiful flank steaks are done. Look at that good char going on right there. Yummy, yummy. You see them juices dripping? Alright, let's cut this baby down. And let y'all see that first piece. Look at that. Look at how soft it. Oh, look at how easy it pulled apart. Woo! Yeah, the flavor hit me. If only y'all knew. It was hard for me to stop eating this junk. But we're gonna go ahead and cut it down into some longer strips. Look at it, just look at all them juices coming out. Who said it was dry? You lied to yourself. Look at that good stuff. Told you I had to stop myself from eating. It was too good. And look at it. Not overdone, not undercooked. Nice medium plus going on right there. And now we're just gonna cut these babies down the middle. Alright, get that money shot with them peppers and onions beside that beautiful steak. Oh, look at that. That's some grilling goodness. Alright, now we're going down with some corn tortillas on today. We're just gonna get in here. We're gonna take our pickings. So we got that tortilla. We're gonna get us a couple pieces of that juicy fajita steak. Get your peppers and onions on there as much as you like. Fold that baby up and get up in there. So good. Nothing like it. Y'all enjoy that.